Attention Northeast. Severe weather is heading your way on Tuesday, July 16th. A line of strong thunderstorms will form in western New York and sweep through New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, New Jersey, D.C., Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Rhode Island. Expect high winds, possible tornadoes, and heavy rain as these storms move fast and furious. Widespread 70-degree dew points are fueling these storms thanks to a tropical air mass lingering in the region. This system is the aftermath of a powerful derecho that brought hurricane-force winds and tornadoes to the Midwest, including Chicago yesterday. Stay safe Northeast, keep alerts on, secure loose items, and be ready to take cover when necessary. Like, share, and subscribe for more urgent updates.